Hi everyone. We consume a lot of small fish in the state of Assam. I wanted to share this fishing net which we have used to catch some tiny fish from our pond. This is an invasive breed of fish called muamas. This fishing net is called hawa by the local fishing community near my village. Look at the density of this fish. Also, the fallen fish on the ground, these are basically fallen off due to gravity rather than shaking of the net. These are invasive breed of fish which consume a lot of the nutrients of the pond, leaving very few for the big fish. So we often use this fishing net to catch this invasive breed of fish. Yeah, thank you for watching, and okay,